Hi, it's Kathy Schmitz again, and today I'm going to show you another stitch in the Home Sampler Stitch Along. I'm going to show you the blanket stitch. So the blanket stitch is the one with all the little teeth that goes around the word home in the middle. And what I'm going to do is start in one corner. I'm going to go out to the end of the tooth, and just on this first stitch, I'm coming right back up in that same hole as I started. Now, I'm going to go to the end of the next tooth, back to the main line that's drawn around the word home. I'm going to pull my thread behind my needle, and that's the first stitch. Go out to the end of the tooth, back to the line, thread under the needle, and pull it through. I mentioned when I was talking about the running stitches that you don't have to trace every single individual stitch. And same is true with the blanket stitch. You could just trace this outline and then eyeball the teeth that go around it. I like to have that variation, as I said before, because then it really makes it look like it was hand sewn and not a machine embroidery piece. So this is probably one of the fastest stitches there are to really cover a lot of ground. And it's also really handy if you do any wool applique. It comes in handy in a lot of different ways. So I'm just going to continue that all the way around the word home, and then the blanket stitches will be complete, and then we'll be ready to move on to another stitch next week. Hope you're having fun. Make sure you post pictures. I love to see what you're doing. Just tag me at Kathy Schmitz Stitches. See you next week. Bye.